Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Friday, April 10th. I hope you guys had a great week. Today is Friday. Let's get into it. So today you guys will be able to write your thesis statement for your compare and contrast. On Wednesday, you guys saw an example of a compare and contrast essay and figured out what did you notice or what did you wonder, so you have an idea. And then some key takeaways about some compare and contrast essays. So today, for your do now, in a couple sentences, compare and contrast who you were in the beginning of the school year versus who you are now. I want you guys to get in the habit of continuing to compare and contrast things outside of this class so that when you write this, you have an idea of what that looks like. So what is a thesis statement, right? I'm expecting you to write one, so I figured I should tell you what a thesis statement is. A thesis statement is a direct statement that explains the topic of your essay, what you believe about the topic, and why you believe it. So a thesis statement is made up of 3 different parts. Every thesis statement needs these 3 things. So first, identification. What is the topic you are talking about? The claim, what do you believe? And then the direction. What are the main 3 reasons you can support your claim? And this will basically outline the body paragraphs of your essays. Right? So your thesis statement should be direct. It shouldn't be more than 2 sentences. It should be limited, as in you will be telling me more about what your essay is about in your body paragraphs than you are in your thesis statement. Arguable, I can agree or disagree with your position. And supportable, there has to be evidence to support your thesis statement that you're making. Thesis statement should not be an observation, aka there's a lot of traffic in Vancouver. It should not just be the title, Vancouver traffic problems, and it should not ask a question. When you are asking a question, what part of your introduction paragraph should this be? Take a minute, think about it. And if you said hook, you are correct. You can ask questions in your hook, but however your thesis statement, it should not be a question, because you are identifying your topic, you are making your claim, and then you're telling me 3 reasons that you are supporting your claim with, right? Great. So now you guys are going to review the thesis statements below. The first one is Judaism and Christianity were similar in some ways but different in others. This is bad. Judaism and Christianity were similar in origin but different in practice. This is better. And best, while both Judaism and Christianity are Abrahamic religions sprung from the same cultural earth, they have diverged in the practice of the faith, recognition of religious canon, and the divinity of Jesus Christ. Why is this the best thesis statement? That is what you are going to answer. Okay? So, right, the first statement is vague, it's wimpy, is really a restatement of the assumption of the prompt, and there's a lot of loose ends. This one, it's getting there, right? It declares the general categories, how the paths of Christianity, Judaism diverged, and it's broken it down, but it could be much better. It is just 1 sentence. It could be a little bit more descriptive. Not too descriptive, but a little bit. Now this one, think about this thesis for a moment. It directly addresses the comparison, right? That you are comparing and contrasting how they are same. And then it gives you the reason why. So it gives you your topic, it gives you your claim, and then it tells you why. This is what you are looking for when you are writing your own thesis statements. So what you guys are going to do today, you are going to write your thesis statement for the prompt below. You're going to compare and contrast the author's perspective on gender in the excerpt short story and remove one's own of boys and girls, provide textual evidence to support your argument. That is what you were doing for the essay, but right now I just want you to write your thesis statement. That is it. Come on Monday, and then on Google Classroom, I'm going to post this question: describe how communication has changed in the last 20 years. I'm interested to see what you guys think. And then come Monday, you guys are going to start writing your outline before you write your essay. Why? Because outlines are a great way for you guys to put your thoughts together. So ladies and gentlemen, this is this week. We are getting ready we're getting you prepared for the capstone QPA. So let me know if you have any questions, concerns. My live classrooms are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please come visit me. You all have my number. Have a great week, ladies and gentlemen.